plenty of time and plenty of money, but I don't have anyone to share it with. And I just want you to be that person. And all you have to do in return is just let me take care of you.
Well, Tom, I'm very flattered, but I'm a feminist. And the one thing I pride myself on is my independence. That and my cleavage.
Well, this isn't the shirt to show it off, but I actually my cleavage as well.